Nothing beats subscribing to the BYO podcast. Survive depression. And your toxic co-worker.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Hiyo lana eti po 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 po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can come any day. You can come and we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
Ma-odds anzange ngingakholise mina.
Hello.
Maybe babangapheki sharp.
Ama-odds aya.
Kwakulani futhi kwakule bhali.
Ibhali ayimnandi wena.
Hayi ibhali lokhana kwakuyikudla kwakuthutsha ngezikhathi zelokhu zenini. Ezikhathi zendlala.
Yabo.
Ibhali le meal rice yazi. Ya.
wena ngesikhathi ufunda babeholisa izinto esikolo nje.
Mina
Lonke.
na yasihola
Yeah,
thina.
uyawazi wena.
Hayi mina ngikhomputela like that.
Ngisakhumbula.
Uzwana kuthiwa ngikhomputela like that.
Hayi
Yasihola.
thina ukenzwa lokhana kwezinto ukuthi ungabe lamaphepha amaningi.
Hayi lokhana kwakungaso kwesikolo kwakungama promotion nje.
Awubhekazini.
Ayibhekazini.
I-World Vision yayiletha ibhali le-beans.
Yayiletha
Hayi le business khase endlala sonke sizahola vele.
kwakuyibhali.
Wawuhola
It would depend on the school. But mostly it was ibhali. Kwakule rice, kwakule peas. Kwakule thayini.
Iporridge lela.
Iporridge leya.
Eliyelo.
Ipoyoyo.
Nke something.
Nkenya.
Wazi
Kwakule poyo.
yena.
So it was mostly
Lama
those three
biscuit.
things.
Babe, wayisiphi isikolo swale sesiphiwa ama biscuits?
I-program ye-World Vision ya. Yaqala yarolla out ama-biscuit.
Ngikhumbule mina ama
Vele
biscuits.
omncane kabi lami
Hayi
ngidla.
mina
Mana ngikutshele
iphizi
nje.
sasihola thina.
Mana ngitshele mina ama-biscuit vele ngangakangena esikole. I remember abeya le Buddhas.
Kwakunini kona?
2003. 2003, 2004.
Ngesikhathi sendlala sasahola thina iphizi.
Hayi 2003.
Ari
Lazala
2000
nini?
ngesikhathi sendlala
Wazalwa nini Jack?
laphana Jack.
2003, I think I 2 years.
Ngo-2000 and lokhu zenini ngo-2008 kwakungaholwa kudla kwakungela kudla even ezikole.
Tawulanda saso akho. Ansawazi ba lesikhathi thina sasihola.
2008 kwakushaya.
Empengce abazali beni babepheka ezikole. Phela
Because I
abazali
know
labo
I know a lot of
babendinya.
ukudla kwabuya leyo division kwabuya 2004 kakhulu 4 5 6 and 7.
Maybe awungakanani la usufaka zonke.
Eh?
Ongaka.
2006 I was in grade 2.
Siyafanana man.
I was in grade 2. 2007 I was in grade 3. Aze ngikhuluma vele lenhlamba ngigijima mina.
Ngihlamba thola ukuthi wayikhuluma.
Ngaba lo mnyama uthi sathutha thina from eGasi saze siyahlala emayadini. So ase mfunde PG. Drive out nya.
Lelishana ufuna PG.
Bam Green 94 Dundee Drive. The house that's opposite lokhu zenini iFounders high egedini khona pa.
Oh, because wafundela se-Founders.
Kusulela.
Yeah.
You ama era khona.
Not really, but yeah.
That's a chess boy.
No,
But i-PG ngalesana sikhathi it was a suburb like that. I-black population zasibaleka. I mean I know ukuthi thina abamnyama kwakuyithi lama neighbors ethu. Mawusungena deep so usiyakhona usithi vele kwangamakheda lama Indians. I don't know how the entire place got diluted.
Even now, like amakaradi lokho bekhona especially esayidini leyana nxa udlula eclinic to the right.
Okule Anglican Church.
That's still a
Speaking of which, are there any restaurants at PG?
Restaurants at PG.
I think there's two.
Which ones?
There's one okule hotel, yeah.
Oh, Africa Hotel, is it?
Stay Africa.
There's something like that.
Ngiyenzengana likwazi
Stay African.
No, live. Asikho sure.
Stay African yakwazi ukuthi ule ndawo Stay African.
Emgwaqweni lona okhangela iDannington.
phela lapho
Vele
kukhanya
khona
sikwazi indawo lezi
There's that
ezibukhola
one.
There's another one that's mixed with the lodge. Ephakathi, so it's like i-yellow so.
Africa town.
Ephakathi ebeach yabona ngihamba ngase Anglican so engathi uyaqanisa yaphezulu landa towards i-Montrose High. Khona.
Ah.
Now that we've gotten to this matter, what's your ideal place for a date when I'm on that? Kobulawa lapha ma
first date.
First date.
Yeah. Like let's say maybe you've done the small dates and obvious and ukuqalela ku ice cream and then you want to step it up and say, you know, let's get dinner somewhere.
Ngiyiphenga indawo mina ngikwazi besides ukhotoni.
Awuhambi ku dinner. What a life you live, my friend. Yo.
Lama flowers anza ngiwathola.
Lawe.
Kai kuyini yamphikisa mgcini yangazela.
Ngiyakwazi mzala siyakwazi. Sikhula nawe. Leto uyika.
Lake lambo lamposta ama flowers mina angazi into lezo angizazi.
Abakwenzeli abafana.
I know I enjoy.
Kuchill.
But like
Uthi ngikhale khona.
Sewabuyela emazweni.
Ubani kanti?
but like
When I'm thinking, what's your go-to spot?
Hafelis.
Hayi mntaka mama yenza okungcono la.
Ngiyayifezisa uchana lo muntu othe chicken in.
Yay.
Hayi Felix ndoda. Ku date.
Awula umuntu
Proper date my brother.
My guy usweleni ngathi kule roosters lapha emuva la.
Angiswelanga lo.
i-breakfast.
I-date ubona.
Ngiyayifezisa ukukhwehlela.
Thina sisemsebenzini, thina sise
No, the fact that lihlela thula lonke nasemfu ukukhwehlela.
Yeah, but dog, simple date lava. Inkinto yabishap.
Hayi Jomna, but this is someone that you're feeling and you want to step it up kancane. When we say step it up, we're saying sesisuka kubo Hayfilis and we're going somewhere.
Stepping it up yilokuzeni ipresence yami man. Presence yami alone is enough bro.
So first date very.
Yeah, so nice
step up.
Ikucithi mic. Uthe khwabalahla.
Yaza qaqum.
Urevile mfana lapho.
Hayi ngeke yiko ngicithi mic.
So wena nje kusolani ngobuza like why is it a problem uhambisa cherry even go chicken in what's
Hayfilis chicken in I feel like those places are too crowded for what you'd call a date. And if you look at chicken in is not a restaurant, it's a fast food joint.
No, it's for a quick bite, not necessarily like I'm saying singahamba sihlala.
That's what it is. Of course, Hayfilis ingcono, but it also Hayfilis it also sells fast food and
yeah, but bale menu futhi sharp la for
Udla
breakfast.
Ikuthi nje thina nje we've normalized poor service, but if fast food you are saying it's on the go food.
Like you figure.
Maybe to figure and mind you, it's the chicken in Bulawayo that does that. Go anywhere else in Zimbabwe. Uthathe receipt yakho hamba usiya collect. Because that's what fast food is. It's on the go. It's supposed to be fast. Lapha nje kuphela service yethu.
Sometimes mina prefer cotton.
Yeah, so ngani kumbe sebe prefer yani?
Cotton.
Good date.
Cotton.
I feel like abantu phela babukela i-podcast le yakwazi. I'm pretty sure khonapho babukela bafuna ukuzwa indawo zokuhamba like umuntu my plan trip yakhe lapho.
Khona roasters lapha.
Ikuthi sisuka sithawe peer pressure these days besokule
Khona i-10
Mozambique la bisi styleng.
Yeah,
Mozambique
Mozambique
la.
Hey, there's a
veranda yona injani guys?
Oh, it's
sharp.
nice.
Sharp.
Yeah.
Sharp ngafika.
Yeah, the
Okay.
veranda. It's the
wafika
veranda.
Mr. Hayfilis.
Ngihamba mbikhandlela kodwa.
There's a
Awuziyanqengisa awungasi choice yakho.
Even the
Ngandedwila.
smokehouse.
Mana Milo.
Smokehouse.
So
Sharp.
does Spur also fall under fast food?
In
Lapha kona. Spur.
Spur.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be fast food, yeah.
It's supposed to be.
Yeah, I don't know what it is, the structuring yakhona, but it's definitely supposed to be fast food.
Exactly.
It's a high failures.
Spur.
laphana wini
Steers.
Steers. All right le lokhuze le drive through le wini
KFC.
Guys,
Nando's.
ama-dates kumele kube umuntu kumele aphile
But
impilo oyiphilayo.
i-structuring yase-spare laphana ikuthi, let me put it like this. Yabona, if you look at anywhere else in the world, and I don't know if this is statistically proven, but
Yeah,
a
today we
restaurant-
fact checker today.
Fact checker.
fact check, a restaurant is supposed to be known for a certain cuisine. For example, ngahamba go Sis B, they specialize in traditional food. That's their forte. So that's what makes them special. So ngihamba go Sis B ngihamba ngilande ukuthi ngifuna traditional food yabo. Yabo, and lapha eCotton I don't know if they specialize in that, but I know ukuthi they've got amazing oxtail. Oxtail yabuya lapha iyabulala.
Even lamb ribs.
Exactly. So I can come here
Corn
specifically for that.
Oh yeah, zimgcina out burger.
Yabo. Now I've got a problem with ama restaurant ukuthi there's no special dish in their menus ukuthi we specialize with this. This is what you're here to eat.
Akula signature lokuze nini.
Exactly. Another good one would be active sushi. You know very ukuthi seafood. But manje now I would only trust the Shangri-La with the seafood. Because why is a Ndebele guy making Chinese food for me?
ufundile phela ufundelile
Akwenzi.
Actually.
Akwenzi.
Why kungayenzi?
ufundelile
I don't think it makes any traditional sense.
Bro,
so umuntu emnyama kumele evele enze into ezizabo sitshwala lana
I'm not saying ukuthi kumele,
yikho kutshoyo mile
but if I'm going to go overseas and find a traditional restaurant, mele ngithole uMadawo emuva lapha eBheka.
no dog.
Not to Jonathan.
Like I feel like ukudla.
Go to Shangri-La, Chinese food is being made by Chinese people and it's here in Bulawayo.
Bro, ukudla phela akusi situation yokuthi kunjengokugida ukuthi babe begida phambi kwakho like lokhana kwenzakala ekitchen unless mabe buya umuntu omnyama bezopheka phambi kwakho, because ezikhathini eziningi if you go to these places bangemuva. How do you know it's Ndebele guy making your sushi?
Hayi vele ezisipane active sushi laphana hayi ngitsho mami isipana khona la kade yes. Like my guy, when did you learn how to make sushi? Sikhule sonke ndoda.
Because you can.
ufunda phela
Besiqalile sonke lapha. Dok awula bangani abalemsebenzi serious wena kade.
Ngilabo sibili. All I'm saying is Mgcini, please understand where I'm coming from. Yabona what I'm saying about the sense of tradition, the signature is ukuthi when you've got that dish okuthi alright hayi singahamba komamzi or kosis party, they've got a family dish that they serve and it's been passed down from ugogo to uzbanban to uzbanban. We don't have those type of ties in our restaurant. Uthi alright seriousness yena they know ukuthi no singahamba lapha vele osibanda bapheka lokho. They're known for this, that. They've got a recipe that's known only to them. I understand. That's why I will trust Shangri-La with Chinese food, because abantu abagadi indizamthina bebuya bezosiphekela i-Chinese food la. They came with the recipe from their place, babuya la bezopheka. I-kitchen labo is not flooded by TikTok chefs.
Yeah.
When you're just a hater. I'm not sure if maybe because
No, but I point yakhe iyamake sense. All right, Mgcini. What would you prefer? Ama noodles aphekwe ngumuntu omnyama ngoma noodles aphekwe
bro, I would prefer nice food.
exactly
Regardless ukuthi aphekwe ngindwangu baphekwe ngumuntu.
No, but logically what makes sense
It's
who
nice
makes
food.
a
Zwana
No, no, no.
kungathutsha
For me, bro, it's nice food.
Mgcini, and kungathutsha uShawzen ethwele i-bowl of noodles. Uthutshe lo Nomthandazo ethwele i-bowl of noodles at face value. Mawukhangele.
Unfortunately ukudla
dish,
angeke.
what right, but kodwana at face value ozathi oyenzi ama noodles ayiwo ngubani?
No. Le stereotype actually.
It's not a stereotype. It's not a stereotype. It's exactly how it is.
Nah, dog.
It's exactly how it is.
Nah.
kudla as long
Ojaji ukudla ngamehlo just because bro,
Not ngamehlo. I'm saying who cooked the food.
yikho phela. Wena laphana kubuya.
umayilo ujaja ngamehlo
ujaja
yena
ngamehlo.
awuzizwe uthini
Awuka taste.
Culture orientation, it's very important.
Nah.
right?
yeah.
It's the same way. It's the same way we are going to encourage our rappers. Would you please rap ngesindebele? Because when you try to be American, akuphumi. Same way ungasoze uthole an American. No, it's an example.
Mayelo hayi susesendaweni engayisiyo.
Angilise endaweni engayisiyo. I'm giving you an example.
Mina, my point is,
Ukuthi if an American comes here rapping in English, who is likely to sound more fluent?
no, but the
American,
music
right?
now,
Let me land. It's the American. And if a Ndebele guy comes here and sings Umbaqanga in Ndebele, who's likely to sound more fluent?
No, but
Ndebele.
this is food.
Bringing back to food. That's what I was saying. Let me land.
Food is food.
Bring it back to food. If a Ndebele lady is cooking amatambo, lamanqina, lan, and then ulokhuzeni no Mrs. Johnson usebuya lapha ethi yena uzapheka ilasagna lan. Does it not
Ilanyas.
make any cultural sense?
No, bro, but labona even lapha eCotton, kulama meals amanye are Western. It's not like phela lapha shy traditional food throughout.
I know.
And we know our chefs are your Mrs. Sibanda and the Mrs. Impofu.
I'm not disputing that. Example njengifakile ukuthi mina I will trust a Ndebele woman with my traditional food and I will trust a Chinese guy with the sushi. That's me.
Another example, Che, what are black Americans well known for in America?
Black Lives Matter.
Cooking chicken. They cook better chicken than the whites do.
According to them,
Even the whites say it, bro.
we are not the whites. Have you tasted the? I wanna check. When you can't really say when you're good at this or if you say is good at this, ungatestanga ukudla. Mina mina ngombono wami anti lapha sifaka imbono echini. Uma ilukhulumile wakumbono right eburongweni bakhe. Mina ngiza testa kuqala before making any judgments. I don't know umongi yena.
Hayi mabeyaqala test ukudla yakuthanda ni. Ngiyakuthanda ukudla kakhulu.
But sister lithe Shangri-La lani futhi. Anisikhuluma ngama
There's Shangri-La, there's Active Sushi, there's Roosters, and then there's Earth Cafe. Earth Cafe, 12th Avenue Extension, next to EPAC. Those guys, they've also got really amazing food. But Amakiwa lapana, they treat that place as if you're near restaurant yabo. But ungangena so the music here, wonke beme bekukhangela.
Ah, you lie.
I would tell. Those guys, it's like they don't want really to interact with us.
Wait, kulamanye ama-restaurant ngiyakhohlwa amabizo ani. But acachile ngapha ema-suburbs.
Yeah, ngapha kulama restaurant like a blind. There's the one
Vele indawo zamakhiwo indawo
Faza Goodlands. What's the place called?
No, this is sharp. Ngamba lapha service yangona top notch.
What happened to Playo Club?
I think it's still
functional.
yeah.
Like club.
I would love to go and try their food as well.
Ngapi in town?
Yeah.
Libraries in Ar.
Yeah. Hey, but also they, maybe mina ndi racist, I was. La kulapana is like, do you know when you go there, there's some floors ukuthi mawusuqansa phezulu you only start seeing white people.
Milo.
My really experience, guys.
I know. I will like my memberships or something.
Yeah, kulama membership and
Yes.
when are you personally how do you join that? Do you know?
Nah, I don't know, but I know members of the Bulawayo Club.
So my dad was actually one of the members of Sasego Insurance.
Then what happened?
He left insurance. I don't know if he left the membership as well.
Then they chucked him out.
Your dad, why sevenza?
Retired SSS Sanctuary, but he worked for Nichols Diamond. He went to Excellence Insurance.
So little madam on the
Yeah, so very doesn't connect.
All right. But all right, in Napa, like at the places that he was working at, were the places mostly white owned or it was black businesses entirely?
For a certain period of time, Esaqalisa definitely it was white because that was insurance. I mean, he actually went for a training in Switzerland, so those were whites. But Sengaba, later on, it was now black. Nichols Diamond was black owned.
Oh.
Excellence Insurance black owned. Sanctuary Insurance black owned.
We won't be informed as much because I really think Latin, there's a lot of things that we don't know about. Like restaurant there's another one futhi opposite Thayini kati restaurant ah. Yeah, 10 ku Townsend Road, I think.
Opposite Alliance of Francais.
Not opposite Alliance of Francais. Yeah, there's that place so engathi it's got a huge fence. Mawuthi uqansa ngo12th Avenue.
Yabona nxa likhuluma ngama-roads so kumele
There's that
likhulume
road to
ukuthi-
Townsend Avenue. Ekhatha across so yabikhangela it's opposite like a new school that's being built. I went to that restaurant with my then girlfriend. Then
When was this?
it was 2021. And there's this lady, so that's building a school opposite Konapana. So they were sitting like rich white ladies, very crew. They were celebrating her new venture Konapana ukuthi yayakhe isikolo. Zasibona so isikolo sankhona. And they were celebrating that over breakfast. They were having tea, pancakes, London.
Crazy how the school is still there but your relationship is not.
It's not. Hey,
Damn.
yo.
But it
Wait,
happens.
isikolo sangu kwasa saqeda.
Mgcina yeah.
I don't think
Wena licho mla.
Sesiqedile.
Anyways, yazi
But
bemfuna ukuthini?
relationship seyaphela.
Bemfuna ukuthi bemfuna ukuthi malikhuluma ngama streets. Mina lo mongisi afunde nisuka mina.
Oh, sesikhangelene.
So yabona mase lisithi le français. Lethi
Sesikhangelene lo mgcisiso lo sanfonsay.
lethi duzane langa. Mina manje la lo muntu etown. Yathi ngiduzele NRZ building.
Yabona.
Duze le Milton High.
Exactly suqedile khona
What's
ba.
that place called, Liana? Eko-12th Avenue, just after BAC. What's that road? The first right turn.
That's ikhona kule meetings,
Twine,
kule
Twine.
meetings. It's
No.
Twine, what's that place called?
Ngiyibona sake sahamba. Ngani
The
cozy.
massage and stuff. It's a restaurant.
Hamba la majita hey.
It's a nice item.
Senza ama-massage.
There's like 3 restaurants lapha. Yikho kule I think there's Meetings Cafe, there's the Earth Cafe and that's the one that I'm telling you about. Uthi sathi singena so khona bana ntwana. Amakholweni nisla ehlabile bra.
Out left.
But
But that place, itshonile abantu abamnyama though.
in
That restaurant.
yeah.
Like most people in Engimaziyo who go there, they're black people.
Leana, not that one.
Live.
Not that I promise you. We can go now. Sabuya vele sesiqedisa episode sesiyangekile khona abesesigodamisa amakhambi. Uthiwa ngikutshelile vele ukuthi singahambi.
Angokwabo bro as long as inilanda ukudla.
But man, there's a lot of places that you can go to lapha.
But do you think these guys are making money? Sebebaningi so. I mean,
Population yethu yavo. I mean, Bulawayo it's got a population of 600,000.
do you think 50% of that 600,000 goes to those restaurants?
Ngihambe amadamara lapha. Siqhubekeni.
Sizwazela ko Samriu.
Anyways, guys, since we saw the relationship yami lapha, kule ntate ngifuna ukulibuza.
Welcome to the show.
Hey,
No, this is
welcome
scripted.
to another episode of the BYO podcast.
Who are you guys?
So my name is Don Milo, DJ, producer, music coming soon. Fam.
Mina ngingubabo cinematographer, videographer, photographer.
Utini pornographer utini wena?
Eh
Cinematographer.
la kukhona
Babo kuphela.
Yeah, just babo. Nothing hectic, hey.
Lebizo lenye ex yami la. So nanzela ungakhuluma into engayisiyo. You might just trigger me ngikushaya.
Ngiyabama. Watha.
Sekuthomba sesiqale khona.
Ngubabo
Kuthiwa ngubabo phela. Awuthiwa ngubabo onyini.
We alonke futhi. Sibongo
Yeah.
siyadura.
Wena likhombisana
Sibe
ichini
mazi.
nje. So
Sibe mazi.
100.
Saba sihlala seready. Bathiwa ngumongi.
umzala, mongi mzala siyawa.
Umzala kamzala.
Huge fan of Afro House, by the way.
Umongi yakushayela umongi sake sahamba eGoli mfana ngebhasi leyani ibhasi yethu leyana. Eyafika yabreak eboard. Umongi wacha iAfro House from eCity Hall safika eBay Bridge.
Unombola suke sithi
Kuyikati
esithole
noma?
wafika wawusenzani esithole.
Kuyigarden of House. Endlebeni zakhe.
Angikhumbule mina nilalele on the
Non-stop.
weekend.
Dog. Uyalalela ingoma zothando vele wena.
Yeah, mina nilalele the weekend.
Yiziphi ezothanda ozilalela?
Ngithanda the weekend.
For the weekend lama love song.
The Weeknd, unengoma ze-CX Static. His music is for horny people.
That's why I'm asking.
is the one with the line that says, "Girl, I'm trying to make you swim in something wetter than the ocean." Eh?
Sekolani?
Mina I think
Hayi ingoma zendlala, hayi zendlala.
Asingoma zezendla.
Ah, you really-
Ayazi mnandi vele futhi la. Ngithanda. But anzange emgcino wakuzwa umgcino yangiqamba emgcino wayelele.
sasihle sonke ndoda.
But ivari ayithandi i-afro house.
Yeah.
There's nothing wrong with that.
It's not even a crime.
Khawulonke la khasa limfakazela lithakulala uthola urong i-afro house. Ngiyayithanda.
Right.
Ngayilalela ibhasi sisuka thwa ngaphi laba e-Imperial bus stop
Oh, you didn't fly?
ngiyaflya ngani umuzi uthi sasistak ebhoda
Ya look ya ku right okay.
Mayelonga
alright
nolombono.
sabona lama influencer ethu estak ebhoda sisifanele
Sasifuna ukushutile ukuze nini? It was for
Why
educational
lingashutanga
purposes. We did.
alibona ngeepisode yakhona
Ah.
I was going to
What
I was going to ask you guys something. What team? Ama influencer culture yethu lapha isebenza njani nje?
lama influencer
Do we have influencers?
hayi ndakho
I feel like that question is asked by abantu abangasoma influencer abalesigaqa sokuthi abasoma influencer.
No, but ama-influencers.
Yeah,
Akhona.
khona ukuthi do we have ama influencer?
Sihlezi la
let's
khona
say
ama-influencer.
ethosithosilezigaqa
let's say they don't have the numbers but siyabe silawo. All I'm asking is ukuthi kusebenza njani, because the main purpose of an influencer or someone maybe who's a brand ambassador is to bring traction towards something that you're doing. And so the moment that you endorse that person, whether agreemented each idea or the enzeni, there's supposed to be a surge in numbers. Maybe we want to about 100, but there's some sort of a value or made I add. And I've always felt like an influencer needs to be someone that is doing something that therefore renders that person influential in that certain field. You're going to look at, I've got a perfect example, Natasha Chieta. Very, very good friend of mine. But
yeah, that one is
if
an
you
influencer.
followed her
Yeah,
content
she
from
is.
Gudala,
Natasha.
if you followed her content from Gudala, she started with pharmaceuticals. So for her company, I think it just sort of like took off from there. But then now I'm seeing a surge, especially like on TikTok, of abantu uthi diba umuntu say the influence. Like diba umuntu say the influencer. Thank you. Say. Digon.
Digoni Elta
Umuntu zathi uli influencer ahle ayeqalisa vlog. Doesn't there need to be something that you are doing prior to that, and then you move on to being an influencer?
yeah omunye slang uba prudence
Nangu umgcini nabo nandi influencer.
Bro, me I have a 9 to 5. I
Khuluma
don't
mani-
do
mani-
these
mani-
things of
mani- mani-
influencing.
until pro wathi
No hate or anything. I don't think lawana ngama influencer. Those are pretty girls that have pretty pictures.
Faces.
kanti
Ouch, not even faces,
ka-advertiseli lokhu ze nezimoko
I didn't know. If that's the case,
No,
then
bro, like ngama influencers because the
Because I thought
pretty
sesebenza
face
izimo.
comes with traction.
Okay.
And I'm a followers. I'm a follower for the pretty face, and that's the perfect spot you place it. Yeah.
enamuhle bro. Yo.
alright senzwe
Ay.
usithini
Suzondile muhle ndoda.
hayi thesayizwile guys khabona no uba muhle
No, but I'm saying there's a lot of girls ukuthi bahle nje and they are just girls taking pictures.
They're just beautiful.
They're just
Nothing
beautiful,
else.
nothing else. But then maybe with time it evolves. Can we say that?
No, but beauty and Elena is something.
qualify kuma-influencers since sokulezimoko involved phakathi
But
Yeah.
nang lo mbuzo onganudala. What's the difference between an influencer and a model?
Yeah. Umuzwa wakho manje awukho dad. I think it just came with the word that we were looking for.
What's the difference between an influencer and a
Imodeli
model?
njani? Imodeli labantu abahamba so bethi
Besides even.
No, besides besides
Immortal phela we don't need you. Immortal we don't need you for your traction. We need you because of what, I don't know, be it your physique
you
or your
are.
face. That's what we
Physically.
need kuphela. Because abanye abanengi abantu abangama model ukuthi yathola even yathola ama gigs are blind
just because of how they look.
just because of how they look, but if you go to their page, traction zero.
because abafuni ku capitalize on their social media like that.
All
Oh,
right.
phela iskill futhi. Le
Yeah.
personality futhi plays a huge role.
Kanimfundisa maybe la msana influence.
Wena isiyakunika opportunity ukuthi already multi
Already
ngawusebenzisa
wena
i-chance.
songabe
le.
usuli-influencer.
Abantu
Akho
mabehamba
afuna
ku-Instagram yakho batholani bathola ubhizi ushama
Mongi
That's
vele
not
mbeda.
post.
Because
Post lama episode yakhe. You should be posting snippets of yourself on this show.
Ngiyabe ngireposta mina.
no
Uposta
Even
mpost.
uyethatha maybe like a certain clip.
eyakho wena
Uyezifakela nje kuphela on your Instagram. But lapha ngakhulu. Things like that.
I'll do it. Yazi lina blind. Thank you.
because I'm also
Ayikho
looking
sokumele
at,
simele ibirthday yakho ekaziyo ukuthi uchene. Ususiyapost.
because I'm looking at, for example,
Even futhi ampost la ma birthday.
lina liyi-2 kona. Lingama-influencer.
Lo bani?
Lo mcimbi.
No.
Lingama-model.
bro. I'm
People
just
know you for what you do.
I'm just a random guy from Bulawayo, bro. I'm nothing
Alright,
closer to
sharp,
an
bro.
influencer. I don't do that
Yeah,
shit.
So
you
lithi
deny
mina
it,
ngenze
but
nama
it's
clip
okay.
lawo ifoni usithi awu just a random.
I mean, I
video.
use them for chowing women.
Oh, so you chow. Oh, you
Unakala-
chow vele.
That's
Yeah,
a
seven when you don't.
Me, I don't chow. I don't chow.
Ngiyakhuluma vele.
Kuluma.
Ah.
I don't chow.
Anyways, bro, mina lokhana ngenze ukuthi ngithandwe ngabantu. Amankazana andithanda futhi for ama-jokes ami and appreciate
Gcina ufani ndoda.
So awula influence yini wena?
angikufani kuwe.
Say something.
Knock.
Who's there?
Sama
Sapa who?
nyobi.
Hey. Asazi.
Alihlekanga.
Maybe
Get
uthi
outta here.
awujoy. Your friends yakho
No,
uzaba
but-
sithona sibachaza.
Awula influence yini wena la ebantwini?
I don't know, bro. I think lokhana mele uqala uzikhangele wena lawo. Mele uzibelieve lawo. Emhlabeni
Uthi
wakho ukuthi
la
mina
mla,
ngi-influencer.
But take us to influence is a very big word that I think is used loosely. Because if you are someone with influence, you need to, I'll give you an example of Umda. Umda uyakwanisa ukuthi agqoke maybe a certain type of jeans. I can guarantee you within the next month or two, you'll see a surge of little niggas bewagqoke namabhruko wona that one. That's what I think influence
That's
is.
what you call influence.
No,
That's an
also
influencer.
like see
Where now? What is the podcast? And
How many people have started podcasts here go Bulawayo?
No. All I'm saying
UIO.
is sonke
That's what influence is.
sonke
Understand.
singama influencer like kuma circles zethu like sile ndlela esi-influencer ngayo abantu.
No, but lapha phela
Namhlanje
sesikhulumela
ngigqoka umdobisi njengo-Mile. Yabo. Wangi-influence ngabona egqokile ngathi this is nca.
Wow.
Then
Omu-
ngayenza.
omunye la ubone wena
He's
wabona
my
Richard-
son.
i-
But
ilokho
to
Richard
social
Jenkins.
media,
Okay.
yes, father.
Okay.
Social
I see.
social media it's a different ball game because ngama numbers lava.
I think also we have
Wabikelela wena.
a huge. I think also we have a huge problem of. I think there's a detachment from our internet and what our real life is, because I think realistically speaking, and if you've got 10,000 followers and you told her more than 1,000 likes on your post, apesko imita nje tamene kube labantu abakuhlanyela mawahamba lapha.
No harm, yeah, true.
Good.
But the people here in Bulawayo, they can like your pictures, really, post it in, and still not give two fucks about you.
Problem, you guys are haters.
fact.
No,
Yeah,
eplawayo lo
plus
Melomi I
kana
think unaka
ma-haters.
indaba zakhe.
You guys are just haters.
No, but
We are not haters.
no, you're haters.
No, we are not. Lo Melomi unaka indaba zakhe. Sasingaku-like sasilike ipicture.
Mongi.
Sifuna lapho siwubona uphuma lapho sihlanya
Yikho
sigiqile.
ku-hater khonokho.
Sike sakhuluma
If
nge-
I'm big, I'm big.
Yes, you are.
Yes, then
I
recognize
Langa.
me, man.
I mean, I don't think it's hate, but there's a lot of stuff that we're doing that is not up to par.
Nah, but low key it is. Yakhumbula indaba esike sakhuluma ngaye aura.
Imon uthiwa Imon kumbe tuhamba nobe eplawayo abantu bemdlule sitho lapha.
It's Bulawayo wena.
Ezihambele
Ubu
elokhu
BH.
Edgar
Ubu
Zappa.
for Boo umsuzo.
Sasingakuboni
Ubula-
exactly.
Yes.
You're
Ah,
big baby
that's
not
hating.
in not
That's hating,
eplawayo.
bro.
That's not hating. That's not hating.
Abantu beplawayo bazinaka indaba zabo.
Mongi, nte wu. What do you wu?
Bu
La
la
wa.
ayikho ni blower wena
Boo is BH.
this is
Boo.
boo olawayo.
akalingeke le
ibhura
Bla.
wayo lungezwa ibhoso inenaro
boso buriweyo
But yabona he hate Jay. Like abantu lapha don't wanna give credit to people that are really trying because kata sonke umchova futhi at the end of the day.
Bro,
Uzanihlonipha njani sinatha sonke futhi koSamriu.
yeah but hayi ibulawayo ngkhona
ayi
buriweyo
so when lapa what are you saying you think there's people that are doing izinto eziblind but
are not being recognized.
all right give me an example
Night Freak.
you can't say Night Freak is not being recognized bruh
I can say MJ
one
MJ sings.
MJ sings
he's not being recognized
Not.
not like that
He's not.
but uyenza into eziblind
MJ blind.
MJ blind
MJ blind.
hawu uyiswi
Uvele
not
vele la
blind
saying.
what I do you see
uyiswi not blind remember blind uNight Freak do
but
you
still
see
Night Freak is now international.
Igap, my gents. You guys are now just going to make us end up looking like MJ. Maybe I've got something against him or I'm feel or anything. Umuntu elimfakelayo, the gap yankhona it's too much.
no uthe Night African sabe sithula ngathi athi hayi
Yiko phela.
Sesiphendulile.
You are saying ukuthi he's not getting recognition for what?
ubani MJ
For his music.
exactly
That guy's got nice music.
He has
Mina
because thina
likubona.
siku space sona lesi but umuntu oyabe the music blind is someone we can put in front of a crowd. Erabantu maybe 200, 300. That's bare minimum numbers in a show. And all of those people are singing your songs.
No, but I think I would like to believe MJ can pull that out.
Aye.
Personally, I would like to believe
It's
he can.
because Abulawa is haters, bro.
Exactly.
I mean, I don't think it's in of haters because now that we've got someone like Night Freak, it's been proven. Night Freak, Murphy Cubic, it's been proven. Ukuthi there's some sort of reception that you can get. I don't know what the formula I'm gonna imenjan, but I think those guys have it figured out now. Because with MJ Lai, he's got a hit song, Peter.
Asibe mnandi.
How did it crack?
laso sifake ekhoneni
And if I get Conan, we're being very honest, how did it crack? Something happened. There must have been an equation to that, and it's a start.
All right.
So what I was getting at was, there's not a lot of people abayenza into blind.
Mina, my question is,
true balishwana
ukuthi, so what we're trying to say is
Guys,
for you to be
social media.
recognized.
I'm there. Trust me, I'm tapped in like that.
Bro,
like
we
that.
have so many TikTokers right now that are doing skits, that are like,
proper stuff, bro.
that are doing vlogs, like people that are really putting in the work. Like my name, guys, abantu.
I know.
But we just
I
treat
know,
them like,
Sibi. Not good we just treat them like. I know, Sibi. Baningi abayenza into eziblind, and but I feel like we are demanding the respect before we have earned it.
mana ngicela
Especially as artists, because now, Mina, as a producer, I'm just going to make a song or go and play a set as a DJ, and because ngivela kobulayo nzathi support.
all right.
Sokusupporta
So,
vele.
all right. My question is, so kumele umuntu aqale athole international validation for them to be recognized locally.
Not international validation, but don't demand the respect before it is earned, which is putting in the work. I want now MJ what he's doing right now. If you go on his internet, you can see like he's putting in the work. Ukuthi ngazugadela umchopha, you're still going to respect him because you know what he works.
So he has earned it. Yeah.
He's earning it.
it's all process
I don't think he has reached his full potential.
No, he hasn't.
feel like we are yet to see
Definitely
more
he
from
hasn't.
him.
Yeah, true.
We are yet to see a lot more from him.
Because into engicabanga right now is example right esingayifaka khathesi for umuntu ose esingathi he has made it. He has international validation already.
There was
Which is
Asaf.
big.
what happened to SF
He was big like that without any international validation, just in Zimbabwe.
I'll beg to differ though. I know people who don't know ASF till
Aye.
So
I think
in-
it's just quando my chance. Aye.
No, this is fact.
so ngicela
This is
ubuza bani
fact.
obig right now alright ezim alright international
I'll do this and Izol. ngijaya kuyi-social experiment la ngathi mana nidlale lo meta.
So sikhuluma ama-influencer lapha mbe sisikhuluma ama-creatives nje.
Sesikhuluma ama-creatives nje.
So influencers included there.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah.
expanded.
We've expanded. And it goes back to what I was saying. Kuti, mina, if someone is going to be an influencer, I feel like first they need to be doing something before that. Because you can look at Chamban, who put us on Netflix, and he's a DJ producer. And after that, I think he has influence now in the Afro house scene in Bulawayo. Hence, you see a surge in all of these house events. House DJs, house producers. I think that's because of him. That's what influence is. Then
So the influencer.
I asked Meta, I was like, when does Bulawayo get any major hip hop or music award? And he responded in 20 days very incredible. Bulawayo last hosted a major hip hop award show in 2021 when the 11th edition of the Pog Zim Hip Hop Awards took place.
Example of
The
what
Zim
just
Hip Hop
happened.
Awards returned with new partnership exciting. However, Bulawayo-based artists like Noluntu J, Boy Nino, and Panas have received awards at the Zim Hip Hop Awards. But I know the award I told Nino, it was what? Hip Hop Personality of the Year. What's that?
Because what you just did there is getting Chinese food from your Ndebele friend.
What happened?
You.
I know. I was just asked ngidinga nje going around
Right,
Google
lapho
loba
China.
yini yabo, and you know it's like since maybe let's say
Kelvin's era.
Jackie
Kelvin was
on a big stage, like on big platforms. I don't think Bulawayo is doing what it can to try even and cross over. I'm an artist, I see that. And if you put yourselves, we might even just get some backlash because of this episode, because those guys don't want to be in spaces whereby they get criticized. I went to hip hop power sessions lapana. Amachite sabe sigezira uthola si8. Kabe kuyimi nguRalph, ngumla, nguNoluntu, nguEdward, and maybe 3 other niggas that we don't know. Most of the guys there bangcolile. And
Babe
you are
hip
supposed
hop.
merube linika. Members as a repayo, Jackie. They are profound for their cleanliness. Presence yabo. Awubona ndoda lapho kuthutsha khona uNino so esporting. Umdala manje sefaka ama grills so. Ele entourage yakhe abo boys mayihamba. Yabo bonta lapha inika rapindira baba. Serifikile. The rest of those guys, ndoda ngani ngumbi uchima oti duma ku 6th Avenue lapha. Qeda ku performa. Kwabalandeli veve.
But ukhona umnyaka wakhuluma khona okho baphoza bomkhansila
Ukuthini?
uBlack Diva.
I think the
She
way
said the similar thing.
the way
she put it out.
Yeah.
What did she say?
She was talking about ukuthi my hip hop artist are the gays. So when you're saying what are the gays, and it's like angazi. There's
So personalize ukwinto.
you have the video of it on TikTok, right? And it almost sounded as though there were certain people that she was talking about, not in a general way. And she was saying about gays, they make terrible music, one, and she got some serious backlash. But ngingathi good message, wrong messenger. Wehle ku apply tact maximum khona phana ukuthi I message yakhe iphume kahle kahle.
Yeah.
But the point is, I think it's high time we started looking within.
Mongi, what do you think?
Hip hop.
Influencers and creatives, are they getting the respect that they're supposed to get, or mele basebenze abakafiki lapho? And going back to umbuzo kaMilo, do we have influencers in here? And
Just
if they-
said yes. And lapha sasakhuluma ngoprudence ngikhuluma ngithi khokhana maybe khokhana nasekuzimo kwelanlana la belisithi like you have to be doing something qala before sisenjani oli influence then sasikhuluma ngobani I think asilama influencer right now right semvumo influencer silayo lo Night Freak
Yeah, influence
Sesi-influence-ile
le
house
Afro
music.
house shim.
Sesiyilalela thina i-Afro house.
I would say HT as well.
Yeah,
Actually
yeah.
vele ama-DJs ethu here in Bulawayo amaningi
Yo, Jama,
ukotwane labo bantu bantu they are doing
Yo, my
good.
influences now.
Because
The rest-
khangela abantu sebehamba kubo just because bayithandile i-music bayithandile umsebenzi wabo abawenza yani sesihamba kuthi lathi sifika
They put in the work and back clean.
sinjani exactly they are bathing ekade wena indawo ukhuluma ngogeza kakhulu
I'm just saying.
Any personal shim.
Mina I
Alright.
think
those guys alright
They
you're my
put in the they
influencers
put in the work. They put in the work.
I think
bayithanda lento abayenzayo and abantu sesukusaba wela kho ke ngithi hey these guys
This guy's doing well.
esibayenza shabani so mana lami ngiyefunda sebengifluenceile yabona nami
Indaba-
sengisaba wela uthi ngiyenza khona ku what they are doing
I think indaba yoku influencer i-contextual. And the sense ukuthi lina kare santi yabona liqamba like ama faces eloqamba
Labo mcimbi.
bali influencer. No.
Mina wangi-influence abaza
I was
podcast
No. Lalela nini. Vele asingakhulumi ngomgcini.
Sizafika.
Very
Why?
useless boy.
Why umgcini
Khulumela mina karezi J. Umuntu onjengomadlela bro. Bale J.
Omadlela, they've got crazy traction. I know that.
Bale influence.
I know Sibili Bale influence party.
So lina
They
kare
said-
no.
they
I think i-generation
They said
lukhayile balutshwana ababukela into omadlela
No.
No, banengi, their shows are big,
no,
their shows are big.
i-generation yethu
So
yangizithintini
This is why I said, what's the
I'm not
difference between
saying i-generation yethu babe balutshwana abantu abazakhangela umadlela bathi umuntu omdala yabona
This is why I said, what's the difference between an influencer and a model?
umadlela yi-influence ombili
You can have numbers, but not the ability to
Madoda,
influence
madoda.
those numbers.
mina into engalitshela wena abafethu one like
Ethele
li-right
ngomodeli yomunye umuntu.
li-right ngama-influencer yena lwaqambayo mina ukuthi sengingena njengomuntu omdala but trust me abantu labana kuma-circles abo abantu abadala they are influential in their own way u-Ezra Chisa liyamazi u-Ezra
Ezra, yeah,
liyake
sonke
libona
siyamazi.
inews bro
That's an influencer.
Ezra Chisa for life
That's an influencer.
ba-influential
That's an influencer.
kusize abo so ngiyale understand
Alright.
amalithi
That's why I said
Uyakwazi-
ku-generation yethu Yikho ngifake
uyakwazi
kahle.
mgcini lapho okule ndaba khona nje yes omadlela they are influential in their own spaces ebantwini abadala the music that they make also it appeals to the larger population in Matabeleland.
Yeah.
Tina kusukubulawayo we feed off of mostly i-SA landlani sabe sichama piano whatsoever koru fila busi nkai khezi maphisa vele kugcwele
Oshun.
it's not even oshuni insimbi zejwane
Right.
And there was
isiginci insimbi kuthiwa
Now,
indazi
those are influencers.
yizo ezigcwele labo
Those
madlela
are influencers.
laba nje besikhuluma in the context yakobulawayo we understand ukuthi alright lapha kobulawayo if I'm going to say because definitely mina if I want to advertise or push a show in Filabusi I'm going to use your madlela ukuthamba nichomda ugodolude
Insimbi zejwane.
yabo owns like that but now we're talking in the context of here use town me personally if ngingathini
Guys, I've been to Philippusi akulanto enjalo bazilalela ingoma esizilalelayo bazithanda futhi
akabe uyabe usesenta esenta kuyagcwala abantu ababuya abavela kobulawa besiyafundisa emakhaya khona ngani
khona nto nje ngalo wawugcwele ogwetsha sasihambe ngoba kwakule show yabo ashithoni labo thong imono lode ngikhuluma ngayo when the abantu babuya ogweja bona laba besethi
Hayi, bagcwala sibili.
babekhona bezozilalela babefuna ukuzwa zona lezi ngoma zona lezi
there's a time owawulo
Babe
umuntu
baningi.
wayesenza ama-shows khona ngani wakuthiwa nguFarai may so rest in peace wayethuna ama-shows endaweni othiwa i-scooter joint escooter they weren't having anything else bro babemelele they've got their guys abachaya ikatari khona ngala abaperforma ababaziyo those are the guys that they'll be waiting for I doubt ukuthi ekotwane set or the HT set or even a Milo set would suffice lapha babe ngasijaya
of bona alright
Bona
Lapho
labana in
uyasel-
particular.
kule music yabo vele
Yeah.
singawulalela lokho ke but
ukuthi
they have
zonke
their
lezi
own
vele
music vele
ezibuya
abayilalelayo.
ziphuma zivela out of town they need to play before those guys get drunk
Okay ngiyakuzwa
Okay, so give me three influential people when in your own opinion right now? Go Bulawayo. 3.
Go Bulawayo.
Yeah.
Eish. I'll say, obviously, problem with this is that I'm biased because it's my boy, but I'll definitely say Umla.
Yeah, he is.
Love Rich, Tinotenham Foot Stars 29. I'll definitely say he's by far one of the most influential guys that we have here. Because this thing, my brands, I think that they are the pioneer.
Yeah, they took it.
They are the pioneer. They took it to another level.
Yeah.
Them before anybody else. I think it's them. And then I'll say Nospa. Nospa, I don't know about playing it. But the way he does things, there's a certain crowd that he has control over. Ukuthi you vele angazi ukuthi kwenza njani. But where he goes, there's a certain crowd of people, and those people are spenders, bro. Those people are spenders, and that's what every club wants right now. I think that's influence to be able to go somewhere and say, I'm playing here and people are going to come. I even wonder why he doesn't have a one-man show right now. Because the way you should see him playing at some Rio, bro. He can even play a terrible set. People won't even notice. You talk about corporate gigs, he's everywhere. Blake Label, Castle Light, what was this other one? It was Sinara or something like that. Yeah, I think top 3, my most influential people, he's there somewhere. Hey, and then the last one is a bit difficult. Because I don't like the guy. That's Lalel. But yeah, Ashton. DJ STI is very... What to Ashton, but I think their clique, their crew, EPEE, it's got Ashton, it's got Pet, it's got Anele. Shout out to those guys, because any event with a PEE stamp, it takes off.
By Puli crowd.
Yeah.
It takes off. Any event with a PEE. Ungayenza event loba ngapi. Ufike ukuthi qanje PEE. So right. So right. They give you your money's worth. To me, I feel like that's what influence is. People that convince umuntu ukuthi hayi. Because House, Jaggy, Garden of House, those guys, they pushed it. When piano was at its peak, bro. At its peak, Sisatolo, our Mcimbini. Or Kelvin, they were giving us so Ivy League. And it was a thing. Who's the Scorpion Kings, Yaboya, and they stuck to their thing. They pushed it until I want to say it. Yeah, okay, this is it. Wow, we're tapped in here.
And the crowd there by food.
The crowd there, it keeps getting bigger. It keeps getting bigger. That for me.
Who's your top 3?
My top 3 influencers or models or
influential people.
Angutholi ngomodel apana. I think isikhiwa singeqile. Like, what do you mean ngomodel?
Model, I mean umuntu who is able to get the traction and the numbers without being influential to those numbers. I don't know if I'm making sense.
Angiboni
lutho.
All right.
Angiboni lutho. Kumnyama.
I'll make an example of what's his name? Arthur Evans. That's an influencer.
Yeah. No, khulumila kwa my influencer.
What man I'm winning list, I'll explain later. My first will be Ashton, HT. Definitely.
Yeah, if you get a mara on my event, but it's fine.
Siyabhadala, bra.
HT, Django. And then we come to, allow me to say MJ. And then my third. Yeah, it's really.
Good.
It's really. Top 5 again.
This is not
about
about
three lapa. I think that means a hammer.
Njayela lapha.
1-1.
Good three, I think I'll also give Stars 29. Shout out, they deserve it.
Yeah.
Mongi.
That's my top 3.
hayi kanti nisomphindisa lawo hayi
Ante 3.
hayi,
three.
Uthe
anisela.
Prulo ba.
Yeah?
Uthe
Uqamba
Prulo ba.
upru phela uphela.
Hayi ku-top 3 yami upro kangeni.
Oh.
No, not in a bad way, not in a bad way, hayi. Kulo Chietza.
Natasha.
Yeah, Natasha.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh yeah,
yeah,
Natasha.
yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
shout
yeah.
out to her. Shout out.
Obvious stars, hawu phela laba neskim zami.
Kulobu msangano.
Yena lifuna impahla zamahara la.
Zamahara
matikiti.
laba-
Check, we buy, bro. Siyathenga mdala.
Lo Night Freak.
Shout out. You just proved that ama-influencers akhona. You like seliphendule lo mbuzo adeliwe.
So isikhathi sonke leso le besidonsa zami ukuprove ukuthi lama influencer.
No, belisitha wakho.
Yeah, but
Sakhumbula
it's got a point though.
Sithe siqala i-conversation leyi. Akulama-influencer ngobulawayo.
Esakawaboni,
But
but
isiqeda
so
ku-
waboni.
Siqeda kukhuluma karesi ukuthi okay, this is what's happening. But yeah, shout out.
Yeah, shout out.
Shout out.
Ah,
What else
and-
is happening, Don Milo, there on the...
So, right. This one is very, very interesting. So I came across this post, Yomunyu Cherry. It says, what's the psychology behind dating a Nigerian man and it immediately locking in go Afrobeats and suddenly they speak Pidgin. Pidgin.
Pigeon English.
Pidgin English.
Adebayo.
Uphambanise.
Pidgin. Yeah, crazy.
But a Pidgin, huh?
Yeah, it's
English very well. Or dating a Shona Zim man and immediately locking in Kuzim Dancehall and suddenly you're posting your beautiful pictures here on IG and blessing us with Gary Mapanzure love songs. May God rest his peace. The guy, may he rest in peace. The guy had beautiful music.
Pigeon, no spelling is key. Like,
It's fine, just really, they
shit.
go pitching.
pigeon.
Sazama uvikela phela. Social media yahlika.
So now it's something that I've seen. Maybe when I was in Kazan, I was at Cherry to Hamilton. Cherry, especially a lot of girls that go to university in SA. You date a Nigerian guy. Immediately after that, say Lalelu Ashak, another banger. Me go talk no, hey, what Jani. Oh, Cherry, oh, vele ngavela movie ina yenza isule Harare vele. Ama status song Holy 10. Saying Postal Master H, we know you. You don't listen to that.
Mzala
Mzala siyakwazi.
We know you. We know
Sakhula
you.
lawo.
So what's the logic behind that? It's like,
I think uyabuzama uimpress umuntu.
yeah, we uzama impress umuntu or you be fishing.
Awu impress. Guys, I've been there.
Ah,
I've been there.
awahamba wawole Harare.
No, lapho ngisakhuluma phela ngendaba zengoma ukuthi senjole lo muntu
Awu, manje
olaleli into esinje so. No, actually yena alright, well indebe la. Elalela imaskanda. Angayithandi imaskanda angayithandi.
Yeah, le maskandi la isikhohliwe ukufaka kwa.
Sikhohle ukuyifaka uCherry Saturday uCherry ngabukela uzalo.
Thele ngababhizi.
Ngabukela usibaya.
After afuqamela ngawuthi imaskanda ayithanda for a year.
Have you ever came across people that have that South African accent but they've never been to SA?
Yo, iyanginyanyisa leyo nto.
Obrr bakho. About 3 or 4.
No, ngikho ngithi personally into
Yo, hayi ngeke sana.
ngeke ngihlezi lapha
Awu,
basoze
ngiyeke,
ngimthenga
eish,
I'm gonna stop khona lokho.
Chumla.
Umuntu wahamba kawane egoli kodwa iaccent ezi from nowhere umuzo switch accent yazefoni uthi houses.
Nalingama-hater.
So uhater. Irogo yikuyini? Wakafunda ngerogo wena. Awungiqhubelele irogo. Ngicini.
Kahle, khuluma kahle umuntu wahamba 1 week egoli.
Ngiqhubela ilembu leli irogo
I would
wayo.
understand.
Sesitshintshile why?
I would understand ungabuye usitshela ngebonda or umese. Those are daily things that you
Hayi la kakwenzi vele umduli umduli ndoda. Hayi.
you see.
Guys, yabona, I think vele ithayikweni. Nanti uthe mina ngingumsabatha.
Lesa umsabatha.
Isiqokoqela
Oh, yeah.
sethu sohlelo lethu lwanamuhla i-influence. Firstly, umuntu ojola la uza influence indlela ogqoka ngayo. Uza influence like kule lingo leyana dog like uthi wena uma ukhuluma abo what's the qo lo muntu wakho la licina selishaya ilanguage yena leyo because unjani like lichona lonke into ozilalelayo uzazilalela uzagcina izilalela because of wena. So Uchero jola lo Nigerian. Abe jona beshayo aniligbo ansha o
Ukhuluma le
Iyazawulalela
language
tu.
yakhona.
Bro, the-
Language
Because
Yoruba,
of-
Yoruba is a very difficult language to master.
no.
And Shona. So bathatha i-accent liyana beyifaka esikhiweni sabo.
Ikopele engikutshoyo
Uze
ukuthi
umuntu esesithi na he ekhuluma lami.
yisi small lina
Hayi.
guys. Lina, you are just annoyed. And I understand, guys.
Very it's annoying.
This
Alright,
country is
Mcini.
very tough for someone to be speaking in pidgin. Yabo? But i-influence Jay, i-music ozayilalela i-influence.
Alright.
Indlela
Is it
ozagqoka
influence or
ngayo,
ukuthatheka?
Music I would understand.
influence
Alingo.
ayikuthatheka vele bro.
Lingo. Aye,
Guys.
lingo is.
Hayi lingo, hayi, hayi,
lingo,
Jay.
that's where we draw the line.
Uku-influence ayikuthatheka.
Ingoma
Abantu
siyavuma,
bonke
but
kade
language
libaqamba
cha.
bona laba.
Akazi babone sebeziphosta sekufaka ama-story ngoma zesishona. Ha udi kudiwa.
Ana vele ngeke ngivume ngoba ingoma
Eh?
zesona
Uhambe 2 months ago eHarare.
I know some people that have been in age for a very long time, Jay.
and they still listen
They
to the Z.
very
Yabona-
umuntu
You are
ehambe not even out of the country, just in Harare here. And now you're back here in Bulawayo, you're telling me ukuthi awusakhumbuli ukuthi BC nga. Where the fuck would BC go, bruh?
Lokho ikho apart yakhona.
Lokhu yabona ku-extra.
Jay, yeah, come
I
on,
feel
man.
like- I feel like-
Waichika
I feel like into zona lezo ngezi-extra bantu abantu. But-
Kuyafana le lingo my dog. I would understand dressing, I would understand music. Lingo chomla.
Lutho umuntu ungatshona la. Check understand.
Marane in 1 month.
Bro, mawutshona lo muntu othi
Australian
marane.
guy.
Like
Akula nto enjalo.
Akwenzi check. Kanti manje isikhiwa abanye ndoda basizwa every day ku TV but lokho esibayehlula impilo yabo yonke.
Exactly.
Awushayela.
Ukukwanisa umaraza.
Ngokubukela uzalo selisitshela ngabo wemfondini
oh, you
Ah,
guys
yeah.
just hate it.
Iqiniso lanto ebhoa nje umuntu ofuna kumara like ilanguage la guys niyadina. Sekuthi yadina. For umuntu emazi uthi indoda vele sonke sizitshonela lapha eStars
Uchomla bro.
bayemba subi umarazela acha khona lokho.
I mean, I don't know what the deal is
Kuyadina.
with that, but angazi. There's these boys abagcweleyo khalesi ku TikTok, so kuthiwa ngamavevane. Abahamba bedunuzile eBC lapha begqoka ama Brentwood.
Ngiyababona.
I don't get that. Their argument is that we thina singamanguni. So we are descendants of South Africans, so our cultures are closely tied. Brentwood land, that's a culture yabo somatekisi basegoli bra land.
Oh, Big Zulu, shout out to him by the way.
Yinto yawo.
influence
That's them. I find it very very cringe mntana mase begcwele town abana ndoda. And also lokana vele ukugqoka lokana kwenziwa abantu abalemali. It's very those clothes they are very expensive.
Yeah, that's expensive.
Lawa behambe bathe amakhavera lapha negodini.
Bayaphinda
Ayi-brown, ayi-purple.
futhi.
Khuluma politics ngama hater bro.
Ngingama-hater
We're
mina.
not haters.
Mina so hate. I'm just someone that's very very
Yazi
realistic.
ngizakutshela bro, ngizakutshela into eliyenzayo guys, like what you guys are doing right now. Asiqala nga-podcast thina la. Like sabona i-podcast online, sabona uMac G, sabona yo Twani Diary of a CEO, and sabona ukuthi into sharp we can do it. Like in our own way. I-influence baba njani?
But before you did
In
it,
our own way.
I think before you did it, I think you took some time to try and understand that. And there's a reason why you are paying respect to abantu. So, as the major argument about those guys was, they were saying Tina Singama Vevan as so mapping. But when you just say to Guti, Tina, we saw from what makes you whatsoever, that means you are paying homage to abantu bona laba bakuqalisa yakho no. You understand? When you feel usuyenza podcast, clearly it's a podcast. Uthi aliyaso podcast, i-dopecast.
Sukutshintsha wena.
Sutshintsha.
Mina I'm
Wena
still
uthola uyi-podcast.
Because it's not yours.
Wala
I like it ukuthi now there's people that can mobilize, come together and do something. Bethi hayi thina siyenza so as a group. But it shouldn't be to an extent yokuthi it ends up disrespecting someone else's culture.
But what I'm still not understanding ukuthi khonokuyana lina kuli like nzavala okwe language okobomara okwe amthwani ngamavevani
Yeah.
lina kubhlungu nga.
Alright, Mcini.
Like,
a
what's
very,
wrong?
A very good example.
Kubuhlungu ukuthi umuntu uthi mara.
Kubhlungu like
Wawusithi mara.
Ubuhlungu la.
because
La
engujayile
kimi la. Ubuhlungu la.
Ukujwayele kuba.
egoli mangihambe egoli 1 month Ngiyabe ngitshona
I
labantu
told umuntu alright wahamba less than. Wahamba ka-1.
no
Cabanga ngithi ngiyabe ngihambe 1 week egoli manje ngiphendwa. Ekuthiwa ngifikile ekhaya.
Yo.
Gcina,
Sekhaya.
And I hate that.
i-ex yakho ayikhuluma isihlobo bani.
don't bring my ex kulokhu nini.
Hayi ex yakhe phela lona vele wangasiwala.
Conversation le.
Wena wahamba
yes,
ejozi lahamba how long?
No, don't bring my relationships on
No,
the podcast.
outside the relationship.
Don't,
Ngithi
vele
lapho-
don't bring my
Lize
relationships.
lihambe labo
yeah.
K-Breeze.
Where? I
Susan
don't
did
know-
ended
I
up
don't know
at
what
me.
you're
It was
talking
okay
about.
for you to tell me that mine is never coming back.
Yabona Doc.
No, I'm saying when you-
Yabona wena-
Sorry, excuse sorry.
Yabona wena onjani? Awukhulumanga yile kuzini. Nina sekhuluma ibusiness sami like on
Yeah.
lokuthi asowa lapha uhamba. No.
Alright,
don't.
apologies for that.
Yeah.
Apologies.
Vele I'll cut this part here.
Sharp. But ngithi laphana lize lihambe nabo Ralph yabona ukwenza.
Sisengaphi? That's yabona khona okwenza ulethe into zaphandle.
Alright, sharp.
Take example.
For certain people that actually, I understand where it's coming from, because for certain people that actually know what they're khuluma ngani, they can pick it up and say, oh, lapha bakhuluma ngento
Exactly,
enje.
dog.
Alright.
So it's kind of it
Alright.
intrudes.
I went to SA for close
Yeah.
to the whole year.
Yeah.
Why
now
ngizwa
you're
ngibanga
talking.
ngisithi wemfondini awungixelele
Hey, Kodini.
yini ingxaki?
No,
Right?
It's because when I was angwakhetha ukuthi wenze njalo, bro.
But literally my whole like impilo yami yonke right at that point it was surrounded by those type of people.
Wawusithi nxa ukhuluma labo awukhuluma nje like wawungatshintshi ukhulume labo into abayizwayo.
I will speak preferably in Zulu, although amanye amabala esiXhosa ngiyawazi.
Are you Zulu?
Yes, I'm Zulu.
Okay.
But amanye amabala esiXhosa engangiwazi, I'll use those. Like bapha bafowethu bayasela yini ingxaki ixesha, those common words. But ngiphenduka lapha you never heard me say emfondini awungixelele or asiyesele or
Why?
I never use those. Why should I?
Chukuthi akuzange like wakujayela like that.
Ngakujwayele like big time. There's a guy engangihlala la ohlala duze la ngikhaya kuthiwa ngumako. He was also in Cape Town. But that person sihlangana khona. Sasikhuluma isiNdebele bro. Proper Ndebele. Yena isiXhosa yasazi, lami isiXhosa ngiyasazi. But lapho sihlangana khona sasikhuluma ngesiNdebele. Yebo? So for me personally, yeah, I actually find it weird.
No, I think episode ile ngiyokuhate le. Like
A
but
haters
it's fine.
episode.
Mina I think the reason why vele ngilapha is because angivumelani lani vele.
Vele in order for discussions to take place and abantu akumelanga vele behlale bevumelana. But the reason why I'm against a lot of these things is because in the end there's nothing essentially that we can call our own life.
Do you think we have an identity crisis here?
I think so.
A very serious.
I think so, and hence a lot of people opting to feed off of what's going on. As the yabona insimbi zejwana anda abana baziqalele vele style sawo bodwa ekade singekho ivinda segoli. It's similar to okwamabhinqa but good different because bona babuye babezigqokela othamba no Elise labo Fabiani landlani khona kyana. Vele it became a means of identifying ukuthi alright lo ngumkhaya vele lo ma ungambona vele egqoke njalo yabusubona. So they owned it and that became their identity. Ungakhangela even ngefuneral kama L. I-coffin yangikhona yayi-brand yo so ngama-Fabiani landlani. They identified that with themselves and said, okay, this is ours. Well, I understand. So for you to then come and also, yes, what I think about it being, you can dress however you like, man. But I don't think it's right to claim it as your own thing. It's not.
So a problem lengeyethu as a city kuphela
Yes.
eBulawayo kuphela.
Yes. We don't want to identify with things that are Zimbabwean.
Okay.
We don't want to identify with things that are Zimbabwean. Some of us don't even consider themselves as a part of Zimbabwe.
Abantu beBulawayo.
I think that's a very huge problem that we have.
So how do you think we can at least try and solve this problem?
Namhlanje ngizatshona ngicorrectwa abantu beBulawayo.
I think the purpose of our platforms like these ones are a means to an end when it comes to solving these problems, right?
Yeah.
Because they begin the conversations, the uncomfortable conversations. It's what I just started to kukhuluma ngakho, right? Then what?
Also, I think what I like about this episode, Iguti, for the first time, we are talking everything Bulawayo. Like, yabo like umuntu ongakaze abukela i-podcast le ngezinto eselizikhulumile like bayakwazi ukuthi alright sharp ama faces elikhuluma ngawo bawazi la and which is a nice thing by the way ukuthi at least sike sibe le something ukuthi le ivele ngiyala siyenzela abantu bala yabo you should just stop being haters.
I mean, I'm not a hater, bro.
Nama not a hater besikhuluma into ekhona nje into esegcekeni
Le indoda lo ufuna ukuthi ngenxa
ukuthi
ukuthi
yamaraza singakwazi ngikho ebhengani
Mina vele bro mina
lo osefuna ukuthi sikhulumele isishona ngenxa ukuthi indoda sebona umakhulezi 2 seconds oloku yi-raptor lapha hayi usutawura wena
Mina ngilaye eksenjalo lindebele eliqotho elizalelwe emganwini.
Wathanda lo makhulezi we-raptor.
Va.
eish bakuthathela
Angitsho.
baby
Akusishona sesikhuluma. Status vele be-vibe ingoma ze.
Don't get us wrong. There's nothing wrong with the language. But you khulume because you are Zimbabwean and the language. Not because so le influence edalutwe ibuhule phakathi esenda kona bane sikwenza ukuthi ukhulume language. Learn it because it's an official language in your country.
Yeah.
Serious. I can see with your face you disagree, my brother. Say something.
mina vele
sasihlezi lapho sixoxa sisodwa just because ngicimile girlfriend ekhuluma isishona ukhuluma lathi ngesishona
why not
siyavuma ukuthi ilanguage ani
yabona
nami umuntu like okhuluma isindebele lami ngifike khona lapho ngikhuluma alright ngikhuluma isishona
Let's
yabona
not beat about the bush.
no yabona like
siyabadumela lapho khona ngale ngesishona
into ye language iba tricky in the sense yokuthi mase ngijayele mina ukutshona labantu abakhuluma isishona like ngitshona labo throughout and nxa ngibuye lapha like for these 2 weeks on the podcast liza ngizosensithi saka like just throwing in the if you shona what
uzuzuthi 10
mlalela ngaqedi ngicoqedisa
ukhuluma ngebaleli 1
exactly
That's what I wanted to say.
yikho ngikutsho ukuthi mina even ngaze ngihambe egoli ansoke ngibuye ngikhulume like lami ngile problem labantu ozabuya wena usukhuluma lami like ngesixhosa ukwazi ukuthi mina ngingulokhuze nini ngilindebele yabo but angeke ngikucrucify for just throwing in just
One
a
or
few
two
words
words,
and
yeah.
lina yikho okulinyanyisayo ukuthi umuntu uzathi mara
Hayi.
yini
wasingayanyanyiswa umara thini ibaleli 1
Mina yanyanyisa.
yonke.
Baba, mina yazi thini
Labo
conclude
sikhuluma-
this and ukuthi mina ngili hate and mina vela ngo sharp ngakho lokho. I don't know how you guys are letting him get away with this. Uncle right ngakho lokho.
andazi how sis
Hayi
Because
ayikona ukuthi
andazi.
usijayele. Ungasijayele ngesentence yonke bro.
Ungawazi.
Awazi lutho wena.
owashayisa uthe uyathi saka hani qedela ukukhuluma ilanguage yakho hani belo kufaka mbijani fa ufake but mase usishaya sentence yonke yazo somarazi
Hayi awususijwayela lapho susiphaphila lapho.
hayi
ama 2k
Susiphaphila.
voice message
But keynote nje my gents I think i-identity crisis it's very real kobulayo. There has to come a point in time whereby as abantu bakobulayo have to accept ukuthi was Zimbabwean and for Zimbabwean and then our culture is madlela insimbi zezwane, our culture is japreza, it's winky D. I will cite this as the number one reason why Harare musically it overtook us.
Mm-hmm.
It's because they owned it. Ngamba khathi sembare sim dance or its identity. That's what it is. You understand? That's what they do. And there's a reason why it manages to cross over, even Gitu Kobula, because it's good. Che.
they're making it
It's very good. Khathi there's that song that has Kobula lapho uyabona konke sisenjeni nje. There's that song okuthiwa ngicela go ahead, yes. But it sounds like the guy is saying ngicela igwayi.
and go ahead
Yena uthi ngicela go ahead. Ngicela go ahead. So I actually had to see it on TikTok. And it's trending because the guy is just saying ngicela go ahead but kuzwakala ngathi uthe ucela igwayi. That's a song that we have out thina koBulawayo. We had uThambando Mali Esquecha by Febji, that was a brilliant
Yeah,
song.
that one was a banger.
It was a banger last
That
year.
was a banger.
And I think it crossed over. Ungambe Gweru bichaya bela. Ibichaya like Gweru, so ama shortcut uze yamnandi Mari Esquecha.
Yeah, I get bangers.
If we can get
Alabo Gweja bayithanda so.
Too much.
I understand. And if we
Wazela
can,
ngapho wena.
if we, I think
Mzala.
Jake,
Zeng zeng.
I think Jake, if we can wait,
Phela boss ngezwe beyithaya.
if we can, if we can work on having more of those things, and trust me, we Lati industry tiyabizimela. A lot of people, mind you, don't know what the industry amathebelele ndipiko kunganani. They don't understand. To them, it's limited to Hinde, Harris Music Festival, Garden of House, Zwaeng.
Kuphela.
Yiko kukhona kades. But there's a lot of big events that happen in Matebelelen. There's that one by Chief Tagamela, Utwa Imiklomela Festival. Bro, it will be packed. It's enkai. It will be packed. And it's sort of like centered around an Afrocentric vibe, you know, very traditional. Performer,
Mambira.
Yeah, Mambira. And then there's camp activities, land. That's another big event that's happening in Matebelelen that people don't know about. Ngambe Gwanda, we've got something called there's something called the Igwanda Fiesta. It will be packed. Our entertainment space, it's there. It has the numbers. It just needs our artists to work hard. Here, Gobula, one of the only artists that has a work ethic, yokuthi ahamba edinga ukuthi eklapini to perform nyenze njani, the guy that puts music consistently out there. Currently, right now, for me, it's Boynino kuphela. Loba nomunye. Besides all like the guys that we've mentioned, a hip hop artist.
Besides the guys we've mentioned.
There's Boynino, there's Noluntu J. Then there was Breeza, Breeza, kuphelele somewhere endleleni angazi kwahamba njani.
What happened to that Milton kid? What's his name?
Tebza.
Debs.
I don't know.
That boy is coming in
So
hot.
uPrezo wayesenza wahlabela.
Wayehlabela ndoda wakhiphe inye district enzima njani, it shook the city.
Okay, Prezi ukuthi labo ngama artist ngamavile. Keep ama hits relax.
Anyways,
Okay, Breeze, I think they've reached like OG status. So for them it's like ukuyenza kakhulu khathesi, it's like yeah bese minyezela.
anyways, I have games for you guys. Since ama identity crisis ngana sizwanani ngayo ngani silokhu esiphikisana. So mphongo Google lapha something to say it or stand on it. So ngizabe ndibuza imbuzo. If you agree, you defend it. If you disagree, you explain why. So I'll just ask random questions. I actually have 3 questions here. So lonke lizaphendula. Ne? First question. Men cheat because they can.
Man, men cheat because they can. I think men cheat because men by nature like polygamous. Indoda ngeke uyitshele ukuthi ungacheat. Indoda iyacheata cause vele kusekhanda. Kusegazini. I doubt ukuthi into ongakwanisa uyicontrola khathesi. Ukuthi usungawuchiya nje ukuthi
Kuba woni lokuyana nje.
I doubt. I doubt. Okunye alright ukucheata njani? Phela ukuhawukela lakho ukucheata.
Hayi.
Yebo. Yebo, usibona isiketi lapha lusihawukela usucheat.
Wena mangaka amadodo wahawukela ku relationship.
Angayibona mina vele relationship angikhangeli. Angikhangeli. Mina I feel like vele amadodo angakwazi vele adalela ukucheata vele.
Gents, your take?
You said men cheat because they can.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's because the only men that cheat are the men that can cheat. And it's usually the men that have money.
Guys, bakhona abantu bengela mali abacheata kanti imali e.
Mina
Thulezi isikwaya sicheata ezuzu uthi ya. Amadoda acheata wavele kungakwadalela ukuthi acheata.
yeah.
I think umongile isesithathile why answer. Next one. Clubbing ruins relationships.
True.
Yeah. It does.
It does.
It does.
Kakhulu.
Does.
To agree and defend it.
Langikhangela.
Qala alright.
Into zakho lezi mhlawumbe.
Clapping, it's like this. As someone that's in the entertainment space, I know the things that happen outside. So umuntu becomes exposed. That person exposes the relationship to a lot of dangers, both for the guy and the girl. I'll start with the gent. Mina yazumchita ingahamba senza chayisana labo mgcini hamba lo breeze ethi ablazi kunemahuri apha. And engathi engayenza khonokho ngizaqala ngiyale phela Jemile ngiyebona umadam. And ongumongi sokunginyenyezela mbayimbaye. But wena kathi ndoda yazi ngani yansetha namhla. Ekuklik yena lana ka breeze. And nzayala. So uzabuya uchuks efika endlebeni yami but Milos namhla ngathi ngiyakufila ndoda. Yabo? Ngiyale. I think this third time. Yabo?
Sayaleke.
Akusayaleki. Same with the girl yabethola ama-offer nje kumayesebhawa. Amanye anzima bra. Things that you didn't think would even happen. Hey mkomanda. Ndikudawo bebiri. Kune 5p na. You know big time guys and the Raptors.
Hey, and the Raptors she boyiqamba imoto yakho.
Uzathi 500 and ayale. Kuzwakala ukuthi awutshelwana uyali 500. Now it's a bidding contest. Rinye kiwa sedi tuja. Hey baby ndokupa 1.5 ndokupa iripo pattern. 17 Pro Max. Small things is. Small things. Take care of you. Awuskudawo apartment unokugara kuphi? Country park. A beautiful girl like you.
Wena hop.
Akwe.
Yabo.
Into zenjani ndaba nazo ezimvini.
So all of
Uyafisa kanti lawo. Uyafisa. Uyafisa kanti lawo ukuthi bakulokhuze bakuchayile kuze nini?
Hayi ngiyabuzwa le ezama 17 Pro Max azaye ngizizwe mina. Bebe kahle ngithi.
Baje bakuzama.
So manje lapho usumuya ngathi uyalani?
No. He's going to the loo. Clubbing ruins relationships. Agree or disagree?
I agree. Very already Milo, I think, was told me almost everything about it.
Omongi.
Yeah, I do agree, man. Because as iphandle yakuthemtha kakhulu. Not mina vela ngithemtheke vele namuntu olungileyo.
Wona vele nguthemthiwe vele.
Mina ngithemtheke.
Temptiwe.
Mina ngithemtheke yabo. So ngiyafeel like kokhana alright, let's say hamba out. Yabona sijoy, mina vele manje ngihamba out. Yabo. So ngiyazibona izinto ezenzakalayo. Usahlezi so umuntu usefike ukuthengelani lani awucelanga konke khona lokho ani. Cabanga alright iboyfriend yakho ilele endlini sesizothi amongi ube lapha eCotton bebe busy bembulala ngamavevu. Yangani umuntu ongaziphathanga vele mawuwazi uyajola hlala endlini akula lutho phandle. And amadoda ayo athemtheka lola futhi. Because vele amadoda onke ahlala echeat.
Okay.
Buyela kwapha.
Next question.
Buyelani mana ngicela umayilo ubuyelani.
Ukuthi akazubhidwe.
Ngizake ngibhidwe mina.
Yeah.
Next question. Next question. Money changes. Money changes people for the worse.
For the West, I think it's the wrong word. I think for who they are. Changes you evolve. If madu umuntu opeta kuzakhanya imali sikhona. So I don't think, I'm not sure it's limited primarily to for the West.
So basically you disagree.
Yes.
Mongi.
For West side. Maybe ingakuveza ukuthi umuntu enjani. Kahle kahle.
Ayasifeze yona kodwa vele nje imali ukuthi
Bazathi
zingabantu.
Maybe umuntu olenhliziyo enhle yabona generous ani.
Yo. Before
Usipha nje.
sikhohlwa.
Awutawu.
Uh
Sihlale la ku-podcast.
Besakhuluma ngento zepower. Sorry to take you back on this. There's a surge in our incidents. It's happened to me personally. It's happened to a bunch of guys that I've seen. Oti, now, power, it's starting to feel like the only clients are people with money. But everyone that's there, even a 10 EPA one, the client,
The client.
correct? Are you in agreement with me?
Yeah, equal.
And
Yeah.
so now there's a system now, Oti, you know how it is when people are drunk now. A fight can just break out or abantu behlupane. Why is it that security it's now acting as personal bodyguards for abantu abangama-spenders power,
Yeah, true.
as opposed to being people that uphold the peace
Within the whole
space?
Ngicela ukukhuluma ni. There's this
Khuluma mongi awudingi ucela vele imic le ngeyakho.
akumile kancane. This other day asoze ngiqamba uthi which club that's out. So it happened ukuthi nganse toilet and then toilet khophana kulobhudi owangibambayo isinqe anzanzanga ukuthanda khona lokho and so ngiyamtshela kahle njani bhuti wami khona okwenzileyo obviously
And they do that, hey, those guys ababone ngani big spenders. Just out here dropping
ngimtshela
boobs
ukuthi
and
njani
shit,
into
bruh.
yenzile yani ayikho sharp umbamba njani and into yona leyo yenzile njani
Oh,
i-wrong
well, it has-
so sesinjani lapho sesiphikisana sokuthutsha ama-bounce senzama ukuchasisa do you know into yabafani nemi yaba-wrong
Hayibo.
just because ayinamali ibhawunsa lelana labizwa eceleni laqhutshelwa imali ngikhangele kwathiwa in fact alright umngane nalwana kamngane nalo mphikisana layo ubiza ibhawunsa uthi njani ubuya njani sikhuluma uyamqhubela ilokhuzeni nemali uthe njani ukhitshwe mina phandle because yimi problem obanjiwe ayinamali phela mina ibhawunsa lana seliqhutshelwa imali umuntu njani omkhulu
And that's really
into
sad.
lena ngizosubuhlungu nawuzilakhe njani kulama cameras lapha
Eish,
sikhona
my dog, I'm sorry I had to go through that.
Yeah.
You're
check
violated. Yeah.
Phela what the essay
Huh?
essay. Like we don't have to say those things because YouTube flags, yabo. So yeah.
So yeah, I didn't like that. Into lana ngizosubuhlungu mfo qambela manga.
Did you go to the police?
Police yani. Police yani mangani sithi sihambe sikhangele ama camera. Kahle kahle vele wamele nisuyi lokhu zenini ibhale. Ayinoza siqhubeke nini? It's fine. Kwadlula. Wangikhipha phandle noise.
Bookkeeper. Yo.
There's a time I was at this other bar. There's these other boys ababechilile belabo cherry baba. So anta kwazo boys babengathenganga the expensive alcohol but babe afford nje khona okuncane okukhona. So kule queue lalihlezi at the far end of the bar selithuma the bouncer himself, hey, ucherona nyamfuna hamba ubuze etafuleni lana ukuthi kufunakala malini ukuthi ngihambe lo cherona. Uchere hayi mchita njani? I'm with my man here. You understand? The guy kept sending different bouncers to a point of ukuthi he sent one of the waitresses and said, it got very annoying. Boys on a hamba address. I recruitment nami. Nyakuzwisisa ukuthi uthi so. But njani? Mina nguchero wami lana, can you please respect us on our night out? And there was a recruitment. Athi vele wena ngubani wena? Do you know who the fuck I am ungikhuza? Phezu kwamfana ngempama. Mafana la yabisele njani ngeshort. I'm a bouncer when they are running until they are supposed to come through and de-escalate the situation. They don't de-escalate. Babamba umfana, baphuma la and they go mawumjita, mind you, they can go with you outside or a lot of bars have a holding room. It take you to that holding room and beat you up. So it's like these guys are no longer security, they are thugs for the big spenders in the bar. I feel like if someone feels like they are an important someone, hire your own security, not a bar security, because the bar security is here to protect everyone's integrity. Everyone. I had a similar situation, mind you, like yours, Mongi. But wangabanjwanga kwakuthiwa omunye uchomami kwakuthiwa omunye uchomami ubambini. Yabo? That case it was vice versa. Uchomami vele he doesn't do those type of things, Jake. He's not that type of a guy. You understand? And I had guys, can't very idama camps. can we just check the cams? Siboneni ukuthi how far. Ama-big spenders, vele antakwazi vele. Abisikhukhumele. Selilingaka so. It was a whole mess, bra. I'm back and forth, land. Bounce in the
How?
But it really kind of hurt my feelings because I'm thinking here, all right, I'm here also, I'm buying drinks. Why is it I'm the problem? And I'm getting kicked out of the bar. Azambela, ngkhaya, nursed my wounds, ngokuthula. But then it really got me thinking, it's an issue that's prominent in endaweni because if you ask out there's a lot of people that have these experiences. A lot. La yakhathesi if you go out, kube lekhiwa elihawukela ilokhuzeni nichere yakho. He has to get her no matter what.
Yeah,
That's
I
why
think-
singajoli. Ngoba bazakuthathela.
Hayi.
Nah, but
Ngoba
ezinye izinto so izinto sokumele
Siyakwazi
siqale
wena mzala,
ukuzikhuza
sakhula
lezi.
sonke.
Izinto sokumele ziqale ukukhuza lezi. I mean,
No,
calling
I
out
guess-
all the bars and
I guess
Yeah.
ukuthi, the reason why we are having these conversations ukuthi but should baningi abantu asebahamba through the same things. But what are we guys doing here? Uyabona lawa omele report.
Azi awulanto ebhowayo nje ukuthi
That's sexual
kufanele
assault.
ukuthi alright guys yini singalikhulumeli lo bantu.
Oh, sir.
Samanje guys kulama camera ni. Bethathe bekuphushe bekujikele. Azi bamphakamisa actually.
ah, you lie.
Asambeni because I think ayinabo izithelo. Because mngawona njani? Asam. Because izithelo bazama ukuyimela indaba yakho because ngabafana. Bama bounce asebabambile labo vele.
Isigora.
No match. There were no match. Basithatha besijikela phandle.
Lonke.
Basebephandle nabo sebemelele phela nje lokho ngisaphiki. Sebe asambe njani? Secheck nje ama camera khona. Asambenini. Nanti endiphosa ngiqamba ngebizo. Nanti bouncer limphakamisa yaze lamfaka phandle.
Uyalazi le bouncer lakona.
Ama-bouncer kobulawa ndoda kanti ama-club mangaki. We know all of them.
I think bengizothiwa ba.
Me right now, I know exactly who I'm talking about, boss.
Ah, you lie.
I'm telling you.
Now obviously bouncer
No, but you guys should be calling out such people.
Bakushaya
not?
ngempama lawo.
awuye sohamba.
Hayi bengabuya bezosivutela. Remember lana ndoda unganani kade.
Bakushaya ngempama kwakho
semilela
lokhu
phana.
busy tshotshozela.
And it's funny because after that ngathi sengimbuza usexolisa cause labana abasekho phela ubhuda balemali. Ha sorry la nguthi ubonilise. Ngibonile ikuyini. Ngingomunye umuntu mina ngangiyaba ngumuntu omubi ngihambe kulokhuzenini wo manager wabo ngikhuluma ukuthi akuyenzakala so. And bouncer lena uzibani yena ngiyade khona.
I feel like ikomela ukwenze next time.
Yeah, next
Into
time,
ezinje
please
vela
do
umela
that.
ngunegotiate nje.
It was bad.
Mala negotiate para.
There's mangambona ngiyosenzismayelela amna manje angikhohle. Le bhora la.
Akunzima parano. Angazi. Kukhona yini okunye sikuchiyayo on a Monday.
No. As for mina,
Likukhiphile kwankade lifunga ukuthi
funakala nje kuphela ama-conclusions.
Kukhona usale giro.
khona ochiswayo.
Funakala nje ama-conclusions. In conclusion,
Then this is sharp.
ungahambe eHarare 2 weeks ubuye kithi lapho usungothi
Ama conclusion wonke umuntu sivalene.
yeah. Mina nje I just think that influencer culture is really growing kobulawayo. I think more than we thought it was.
It
huh?
would, yeah.
Yeah. And there's an opportunity, there's a gap for everyone, especially, when other people open doors. It's an opportunity for a lot of people to hop onto that. When we get more podcasts, that means we get more coverage on whatever it is that's going on in the city. When we get more shows, that means there's more opportunities for artists to perform. And a very, very important thing is, especially in hip hop, I know that those guys are very, very talented. I know a lot of them that are very, very talented. I just think that they need to start looking within and take criticism and let that build them.
Constructive.
Even umuntu a hater, even umuntu esenzani, I think it's important because it's not like the talent is not there. The producers are there. The musicians are there. So what's missing from us is to just look within and push and push, and I guarantee you, it will work out. It will work out. We've got great examples of artists that are push it over sevens. Boynino, MJ Sings, those guys are achieved artists right now. And there was a time, Chegi Ibula was called the hip hop capital of Zimbabwe. So labo Tamba, labo boys, labo Rana Rules. Type shit, what do you watch? And we've got way better artists, bro.
Than those, yeah.
We've got way better artists. Well spoken, than. I don't know what's going on, but I think it's time to look within. It's time to look within. And there's Gora Les, it says 7 Zuluvikela Makio. That's about the mal one day. That thing is Gores and Kurugulan. That's it.
Yes.
When I get put to Wesawata.
I think I'll conclude on Indaba identity. It's fine to learn other cultures, to try and mingle in different places, discover new things, discover your limits, but stay true to who you are. It takes us a long way. Abantu abaningi, they actually are making it out there by staying true to themselves. So I think, in as much as we want to be everything, or rather taste everything, stay true to who you are. It will take you a long way.
Amen.
Why amen?
Is that amen la kurum?
Amen. In conclusion,
Wathathe wena influencer. Wathathe wena influencer. Liyamvumela ukuthi ngiconclude.
Ngazi ukuthi manje sonke ubalo bani.
Sonkeni la. Hayi, mayilo uyachiswa yezona.
It's that light, bro.
Very sad.
Sikhuluma ngakho ukuthi I think as abantu kumele sizimele. Njengami nahluleka ukuzimela after bembambisa inqala. So next time.
Next time.
Next time fake isibhakera.
Next time.
Next time.
Aweli video try amabhawo manje ngilokuze.
Ipi cup.
Engangena etoilet labana ehlule ufikisa ile.
Next time.
Next time. Next time.
Next time.
Awuzima. Nzima parano. In conclusion, what I can say is umuntu nomuntu kanaka indaba zakhe. Ngangikhuluma isimara ngesami. Asosakho
yes digele
akula ile chere marazayo ile chere marazayo
bangikhuluma isimara
Khanya bemchaza khona ngale emsebenzini.
No, isimara ngesami guys, like asikubhadaleli renti.
Akukwenza kakhulu.
No, ngikwenza
Uyanukelela ibeef.
i-oxtail
ngowami dog. Enza into zami mina vele ngumuntu enza into zami mfethu. Ivila laba bethani ama vevani, the vevans. Bekeleni bazenzele dog. I don't think wena karezi kunje so ama vevana agqoka njengamabhinqa. Wena kukulimaze ngapi? Amanzi evuke ngekho ngini.
Hayi mina akulimazanga but Zwana mina akulimazanga but call it what it is.
Yeah, I feel like abantu zivele into ngayifaka in public. No.
Call it what it is. Call it what it is. Hayi we saw everyone else can see je ukuthi you took this waku replicator.
And it's fine.
Which is fine, but call it what it is.
Angakhola what it is.
Call it what it is.
Besokusenza besohamba njani?
That's cultural appropriation.
Nah, dog. Into lezi azilandaba lezi.
Asilandaba, then someone will walk in here and say podcast yakailandaba.
Azilandaba.
Ayilandaba.
Asilandaba dog. Lapha sikhuluma amakaka vele.
I likhuluma ngama.
Yabo. But
Thina
anyway,
nxa singekho phambili likhuluma
anyways,
ngama.
it's been a nice discussion. I don't know. So we are seeing each other next week again on another one.
Yebo baba. Another banga.
Another
Banga.
Nothing beats subscribing to the VYO podcast. Survive depression. And your toxic co-worker.